Number 5. Audrey Front and Rear Dashcam. Elevate your driving experience with the Audrey A2 Pro Dashcam, equipped with an industrial-leading Sony IMX335 sensor for both the front and rear cameras, capturing stunning 4K and new updated front 1080p to 2.5K resolutions respectively. Their user-friendly Android or iOS app enables effortless control and live streaming of video feeds, with advanced features including the G sensor, loop recording, and super night vision. The A2 Pro Dashcam for cars provides around-the-clock protection and essential evidence for any disputes or accidents. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through recordings, highly recommended for anyone concerned about safety while driving. Number 4. ARIFAYZ 4K Dashcam. The Q4 Dashcam front and rear camera simultaneously record the road front 160 degrees and rear 150 degrees in sharp detail, which ensures every angle is covered and nothing is missed. The 4K video quality is outstanding, capturing every detail with impressive clarity, whether it's day or night. The audio recording is just as sharp. This Q4 Dashcam comes with an app for Android or iOS smartphones to get a live stream, download videos, change settings, edit, and share your footage simply. ARIFAYZ 4K Dashcam automatically switches to parking mode when your car is parked. It detects collisions via impact or movement. The time-lapse recording mode maintains continuous recording with minimal power consumption and a low frame rate. It supplies continuous protection, triggering recording if your parked vehicle experiences a collision or attempted theft, ensuring around-the-clock security. Easy to install, excellent performance, and well worth the investment. Highly recommended. At number 3, ROVE R24K Dual Dashcam. Capture action and events in real time while you're on the road using this car dashboard camera. It is specially designed to record high-quality video within a wide 150-degree field of view for more vivid details. The GPS on this 4K Ultra HD dashcam shows your location on Google Maps, while the Wi-Fi allows for the transferring of videos to a mobile device. It also features super night vision technology for low-light or no-light driving conditions to keep you and your passengers safer. This dashcam with Wi-Fi and GPS has a parking monitor, motion detection, loop cycle recording, and G sensor for added user convenience. The G sensor on this time-lapse dashcam detects impact events, while the motion detector setting starts recording in the event of movement while the car is parked. Number 2. WANLIPO Dual Channel Dashcam. The WANLIPO A13 front and rear dashcam captures crystal clear footage in Ultra HD 4K for the front and Full HD 180p for the rear. This ensures that essential details such as road signs and license plates are easily visible. With a 170 DG wide-angle front lens and a 120 DG rear lens, the dual dashcam minimizes blind spots, providing full coverage to preserve critical evidence during incidents such as collisions. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, enjoy fast video transfers from the dual dashcam. The app also enables one-click sharing of your footage, making it perfect for relieving and sharing memorable drives. The 4K dashcam is equipped with a high-performance G sensor designed to detect collisions or abrupt events and optimized to detect even minor impacts. The front and rear dashcams are equipped with advanced low-light capture technology, ensuring clear footage in dark conditions for improved safety. And number 1, Navycrest 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam. This A2 Pro Dashcam front and rear is equipped with an industrial-leading Sony sensor, which can record events in detail from the front and rear sides of your car at 4K resolution, such as road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. The Navycrest 4K plus 2.5K Wi-Fi Dashcam delivers excellent video quality, making it easy to capture details like license plates even at night. The built-in Wi-Fi and app make viewing and sharing footage super convenient. It comes with a free 64 GB memory card, has reliable G-sensor impact detection, and 24-hour parking mode for added security. The dashcam provides vital evidence from the front and rear sides when an accident happens. Equipped with a cutting-edge 5G Wi-Fi module, it allows a 4x download speed compared to other 2.4G. Overall, great value for a high-quality dashcam. Thanks for watching.